Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My hair looks really good today. Okay, I won't get distracted anymore. Let's get straight into it. I've had this baby for 3 months, and I'm sorry I hit you, baby, but yeah, I've had her decorated for like about 2 months now, and the first time I filmed this video, it was right after I assembled it, so I was not feeling it. And on the first thing, I really don't know how to talk. Mama was too tired from filming my own dad setting this up. I didn't do no shit. I'm sorry for swearing. Okay. Child friendly. Okay. So, yeah. She didn't always look this good. And so I want to show you when she was naked and dress her into the woman she is today. So, let's get into the video. Or basically faking that I haven't decorated her 3 months ago, because I definitely haven't. Yeah, I don't care. I'm sorry for making dirty jokes along the way if I do make them, just because, I don't know, my mind was polluted when I was in 7th grade, but you have to admit, dirty jokes are really cool because, I don't know, dark humor, it's the best. Okay, bye. Before we start building, here are the ingredients to a perfect child. Materials to a fine bookcase. First, you arrogantly walk into the Target nearest you. Then, throw whatever you want into the cart while your parents are not looking. Then, attempt to even let them carry the whole bookcase home. Don't worry, I helped. Next, find some cute homeless kids who you will put in the new bookcase. Then, proceed to find a boyfriend, preferably someone who is willing to build you a bookcase. This step is impossible for me, so I have my dad. Finally, we shall film him while he gets tortured. Let's go. I have finally finished decorating this thing. Look at it. Look at all its glory. I'm such a proud mom, you know? Just look at it. Like I've mentioned, this is 3 months in the making, so if something is a little bit off or different, like big boobs, small boobs, big, small, just expect it. 3 months, it's a long time. Let's get into the tour. The first compartment. I have The Silent Patient, Lovely War, One of Us is Lying, The Air, Maddie Ziegler. This is from 7th grade, and I just thought she's pretty, and I love the book cover, so why not? I love you, Maddie. And I have Love and Gelato, and some really dope books that I got from Target. I think the artist is Amaya's Realm. It's really cool, and I got some Ufoopies. This is Miss Bunny and I'm not sure who it is. And look.
I used to be so cute. Like, once in a while, I would look at this photo and wonder what went wrong. Like, seriously, such a disappointment, such a glow
It's
down.
me in a tea field. I was like 5 then, but yeah, I love my first compartment, except for the lovely wart. It's definitely like the black sheep of the family. It's basically pink while the others are like beige, yellow, or like purplish gray. So yeah, I still love it. Next is our second compartment. It might look a little bit messy now, but when I turn it on at night, I have these fairy lights that are really cute. First on the line is Miss Belle, because she's a book nerd and we love book nerds because I am one too.
Bruh, you only read 3 books last year.
And I have this candle that I slightly burned that my friend gave to me in like 9th grade. And I have my favorite book here. It's not my favorite book per se, but my favorite cover that I have. It's like a cream color and it has gold accents and it's freaking New York! I'm sorry for screaming if you're on your headphones, but yeah. And I also have this warm vanilla sugar hand sanitizer, and I have the snail thing that I made. My friend thinks it looks dirty, but it's made with the best intentions. And I have this crystal on here, and I got the design off of Anthropology because theirs is freaking $36. And I have this terrarium that my dad gave me. Well, he didn't give to me. His like office gave him as like a Christmas gift, and I just took it from him because I'm such a good daughter. And I have my favorite book series, which is To All the Boys I've Loved Before. And lastly, I have this plant from the Dollar Tree because tree from the Dollar Tree, tree from the Dollar Tree.
The next shelf, I feel like, is the best depiction of myself.
I'm literally 17 and I love my unicorn plushie. I got this from the dollar store. It's so cool. Wait. It is so bright too. And I got another series. This is The Girl Online by Zoe Sugg or Zoella. And these are my babies, okay? I made these two. They took like an hour or something just because I was filming it all. But I have my Ariel Yufufi. She was such an ass to find. Like, I was looking on Mercari for like 6 months straight until I found her. And I had to buy her at like an inflated price of $21. She was originally 700 yen. Next is my broken Polaroid. So, funny story. Back in Vietnam, there was this day before like the end of our school year, and like me and my best friends just thought, yeah, I really wanted to like make memories other than like very like basic iPhone photos. So I brought my Instax Mini. But what I didn't know was these things don't do well in the sun. So, I mean, I tried to protect it. I put it in its original box in a tote bag, and I put it on a bench under the tree, but somehow it still broke. So I hate you.
By the way, this is the only photo we took that day. It has terrible lighting, and moral of the story, just don't buy a Polaroid, please.
This is my last compartment. I have these postcards. They were 50 cents each, and I got them at the Shenandoah National Park. They look so cool, right? Yeah, I just don't have any place to hang them because I don't have enough postcards to hang on my wall or anything. But here are the books I have. I have 5 Feet Apart. This is my all-time favorite book. You guys, everyone should read it. And bonus, Cole Sprouse is on the cover. Okay, don't mind my my last compartment. I'm not gonna show that to you guys, but this is my favorite book ever. I'm totally getting another copy with like the paperback and stuff. Yeah, I love Cole Sprout, but I love the paperback more, so I'm gonna have to go with that. Next, I have Everything. Let me show you. Just look at that. Yeah, the cover is
Truly everything, pun intended.
the story though, I read it in 8th grade. I don't remember anything. She has a disease. She fixed it. I mean, her mom fixed it. Okay, I'm sorry. Then I have Beach Read. I haven't read this book yet, so I have no review on that. Leah on the Offbeat. I haven't read that either. Matt Haig will be in my book review next month. And They Both Die at the End. I read that last year, and this is also a new book. It's The Light We Lost. And I have Celeste singing Little Fires Everywhere. My friend gave this to me actually. I haven't had the time to read it, but I swear I want to read it. I just don't have the time. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope my personality dazzled you. You love this video. You subscribing. That's unlikely to happen, but might as well try. Thank you so much for watching this video. My voice is literally cracking right now. Stay tuned till my book review next week or next month. I'm a junior. I don't know. Okay, bye. Literally, I can't. Okay, bye.